So today I'll be showing you how to hide apps on your OnePlus 13. So if there's some apps you want to hide, then here's what to do. So let me, for instance, hide the YouTube Music app. Okay, so that's the app I'm going to use in this example. Simply go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy. Tap on that, and then scroll down to the Special Features section and select Hide Apps. Now there's going to be a privacy password. Now you might have already set up your privacy password. If not, your phone will ask you to set up a privacy password. Now this is a different password from the one you use to lock your screen. If you want to, you can use the same if you feel like it's secure enough, but it's normally a different password. So I'm gonna enter my privacy password. Obviously you need a better privacy password. Now with that privacy password entered or set up, you'll now see this page called Hide Apps. So tap on Get Started, and then this is where you customize how you want to hide your apps and how you want to manage your hidden apps. So choose whether you want to access them from a home screen icon or from a secret code that you can dial in the dial pad. Now I'm going to show you both ways. So let's start with access via home screen. So I'll tap on that, and that's going to give me this window, and that's the icon I'm going to find on the home screen, and this is where all the hidden apps are going to be. Now if you want to, you can customize the look of this icon. Let's say you want it to look like one of these. You can change the look. Now for now I'm just going to leave it like that, and also you can change the name of that icon so that that icon also stays hidden. You can call it anything else, but for now I'm just going to leave it as is, the icon and the app name. So I'll tap on Save, and now I'm ready to start hiding apps. So if I come here to add apps, I can now choose the apps I want to hide. So let me go for YouTube Music, like I'd said, and then enable that app, and that app is going to get hidden. Let's also hide Spotify. So once you do that, now when you go back to the home screen, you will not see Spotify or YouTube Music anywhere. You can even search. Let's search for YouTube Music. You can see it's nowhere to be seen. If we search for Spotify, it's nowhere to be seen. These apps are completely hidden in the phone. Now there's going to be a new icon in the home screen, and that's this hidden apps icon. Okay, now this is the app you press on and then enter your privacy password, and that's going to reveal all the hidden apps on your phone. Okay, now from here you can tap on any app and launch it and use it as usual. All right, now there's going to be a few other settings that I'll show you. So if we go back to the settings page, back to that hide apps setting right here, and of course every time you come here you have to enter the passcode. There are a couple of things you can tweak. All right, so there's going to be the settings icon in the top right corner. Tap on that, and then tap on access methods, and then now if you want to, like I'd mentioned, you can customize the home screen icon. So that home screen icon you've seen, this one, you can customize to look different and also to have a different name. So if you want to stay completely anonymous and hide in plain sight, you can simply come here and select customize home screen icon. Let's change the icon to something else. Let's change it to look like this, and then let's change the name to something different, and then tap on Save. Okay, so now if someone is looking for your hidden apps on your phone, it's very hard for them to find it because you can see the app icon is different and the name of the app is different. So I can tap on that, enter the privacy password, and have access. Now if you don't want to keep entering the password, you can actually set up a fingerprint to access all your hidden apps. So let's go back to the hide apps menu, gain access, and then tap on the settings icon, and then tap on unlock methods, and then from here you can enable the fingerprint, or even you can come here to the privacy password and change the password if you have to or if you want to. But for me, I'm just going to enable the fingerprint, and so from now on I can come here and look for my app, my hidden apps application, tap on it, and instead of typing the password, I can just use my fingerprint for easier access. Now I'm going to show you a different method of hiding apps without the app icon, and this time I'm going to use a secret code. All right, so let's go back to the settings page. Let's go back to hide apps, let's authenticate, and let's get in here in the settings, and then let's go back to access methods. Now you can see we have access via home screen icon. We can choose access via dial pad. So let's go ahead and set an access code. So let's tap on settings, and you can choose any access code which starts and ends with a hash. So let me pick 123. So I'm going to say hash 123 hash, and I can use that as my secret code to access my hidden apps. So if I tap on done, that's going to get saved, and tap again. So now you'll notice the hidden apps icon is now disappeared from the home screen. It's nowhere to be seen, and you can't even tell that I have any hidden apps. But if you know my secret code, just go to the dial pad and type hash 123 hash, and that's going to show my hidden apps. So that's a better way, or a more covert way of hiding apps, basically hiding the hidden apps feature. All right, so let's go back to that setting page. So from here, you can unhide any app you want to unhide by simply finding it in the list, or you can just tap on hidden to see all hidden apps, and you can unhide an app from here. It's literally that simple. So that is basically the full guide on how to hide apps on your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.